Welcome. Today, we're breaking down Method 3, the vector approach, to solve this geometric circle puzzle step by step. Let's dive in. Step 1. First, let's set up our coordinate frame. We place origin point A at the top left corner. The horizontal axis goes right, and the vertical axis goes downwards. Step 2. Next, we write down the position vectors. Relative to origin A, the center vector AI is R, and point P at the corner of the small rectangle is 2, 1. Step 3. Now, we derive vector PI from point P to center I. Subtracting vector AP from vector AI gives us PI equals R minus 2, R minus 1. Step 5. Since expanding the equation gives our squared the magnitude of vector PI equals radius 0. Solving this gives our equals 5. R minus 2. The area of the circle is 25 pi squared equals or approximately 78.54. Step 5. Expanding the equation gives our squared minus 6, our plus 5 equals 0. Solving this gives our equals 5. Therefore, the area of the circle is 25 pi, or approximately 78.54.